That give me no problem. I'm going to do my round. This was smart. This is what I'm
the cherry don't come down and I come when you see me pull up that the moon that fly one time with it broke that to the whole of me got them with they like pen we only remind that we be and bend until the night ends and the whole of me fancy lady from them the music and stem and me see from when the listen style trend I know me and fight out in dark like night and we keep up the light out you can't pass right and you know me try to bend like my bike from a girl on the time she up the street she see what she like she was sweet night she did it tonight she celebrate like night every day again I don't try want some money in my pocket I'm fine you never give up down when I stop trying I see it up down no wait one time on your line hello the cherry don't come down a 9.5 when you see me pull up down the moon that fly one time with it broke out all of me down them way in the apartment girls are just something that make you start me girls sit up your life from a trouble girls are just something that make you start me kind of funny things that don't enjoyment that's it goes to give more of the left your garment so you run up the figures and not depend on them to the whole of the got them with their night pen they will live remind them we down them until the night end you never give up that never try me man make them gotta see one night me get dark I mean I don't live there for happy who no like that can't drop asleep get a few breath go back to family get a Guinness to get up on a bit and a beat me they are not free oh my man now go make no body stress me now make no think it breast me now go make them kill me half of that I mean I tell you say me now go make no body stress me now make that think it breast me now go make them kill me half of that
What's going on in my life? Not everyone needs to know my struggles. It's hard. An explanation. Silence is my weapon. An explanation. My silence is my weapon, and my privacy is my fortress.
I have to say don't charge it.
Yes. I don't care. They don't deserve to know what I'm really about for. I don't like their opinions, their fake support, their judgments. When they don't know, they can't touch, they can't destroy. I'm not here to impress or explain myself.
mash him up in a kegs.
Trade them.
True man, working family members who really get in struggle time sometimes. All the time. Like a real parents be there for you.
People treat children different from their own. So I understand why. Yeah?
Only one person feels if I will want to say do good in life with your mother, bro.
If you ever have to
Yeah, man, your mommy sometimes real parents, that real parents out there who love them. Yeah, real parents who love them
So
children.
you tell me your mother or your father want to see the
Real,
best of you.
your mother and
They
your
don't
father.
want to see the best of you, boy, but tell them like
Boy,
that.
I'm telling you, bro.
Yeah.
The only
And
person
then
want.
bring it back hurt, innit?
Yeah.
They always have to see good at you.
Nobody else. Really.
Nobody else.
The way things go on, they come like all family and mother. I'll bring their children to cook and they out in today.
Yeah, man.
You remember when they treat him son?
Yeah, yeah.
It's come like say. That have become like history.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know
It's
what I mean?
true.
Nobody knows do anything that they like. One same family do for their
Yeah. And you got money.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean. Pressure your son and all them something like that.
Yes, people, Jaddy, Bingy, they life.
Yeah.
You outside.
That is bringing their life.
Yeah, man. Jaddy, Bingy, life. And I realize it. Yes, people, as you can see, you're doing a little washing dish here, washing pots.
Yeah, man. Watch
You're
out.
outside at Jamaican Delight Production and Jaddy, Bingy, TV, live.
Some stuff on
Live and direct.
That's right.
You cannot see but the drive is there, over there.
You know, bit of drying.
Moving man like that.
You know, bit of drying up.
I really moving man.
Yeah,
Yeah man, I'm in the time to people them. People them are support the life.
Yes, sir.
And then we sit down and say them have a man and big man like them. Yeah. I tell them, I just want to tell them my man number.
I told you all the things that come here. And then carry come here and chat.
Yeah man, tell
And then
them.
invite you.
Yeah man.
Carry come here. What I got to see, you know, like, not for you. Your country is set up as your country, but in my country now, so I got to say, to me. Yeah, man, so that's the only way for me.
Same man, God help me, man.
No, but it's because you're part of a little country.
And I said that, but So you gotta help come
You
on.
can come in a situation like you don't have to
Yeah,
worry about
man.
it.
If you decide you don't gotta help me, still come on.
Yeah, that even come same way what I tell about how you also side work, how my side work. Maybe for four parents and do it, I want to do it, I do it. That's it.
Yeah, man.
Then fuck it up.
They love respect more than they love respect. They love respect more than they love sex. A man who hugs his wife and respects him, follows his lead, is the biggest superman. When a man feels truly valued, when his efforts are acknowledged, and his leadership is trusted, he will move mountains with a woman by his side. Respect fuels his ambition, strengthens his faith, and makes him to live for the world. He doesn't just provide, he protects, he uplifts, and he dedicates to the world. But when a man feels unappreciated, constantly questioned, taken for granted, his love begins to fade. No matter how strong his feelings are, disrespect slowly eats away at his desire to give, to protect, and to uplift.
Somebody think they know we did it. Somebody who think they know we did it. Somebody. Nobody got me right now, but I'm okay. Oh, this is this train. This train. Right now, but not forever. Nobody got me right now, but I'm okay. Hello, hello. Good, good, good. And the machine them deliver route and one of them just eat all of them, innit? Just eat jive with them. And usually come in the shop, man. When them come here, they look happy because nobody here don't disrespect them.
No, sir, that's the thing, sir.
Yeah,
And we tell them what we expect, that's it.
yeah. That's what I told you.
Jamaican Delight. Yeah, what time is it? What time is it? Loads of jerky, man. What do you mean loads of jerky? What do you mean by that? Are you going to pay for extra jerky? Who is this? I don't know who's getting anyway, so anyway, you want a large jerk? Anyway. 2 grams and planting. So 1 large jerk, eh? 1 large jerk. I don't know how you like it at all, but you're going to... How can I talk the time on the phone? No, my somebody next to you, and you ask them thing and I make it sound like Jamaican Delight down the other way. Jamaican Delight is straight up the highway, Jamaican Delight is growing a corner, Jamaican Delight is straight up the highway. So when you have some talk, you have to be careful what you say. Anyone to stop them and say you have to be careful what you say. You have to deal with certain things.
Yes, man. I don't know how the man
No, I
like
don't
it,
know
but-
you like a chicken. Speak clear, because speak clear, because you like a chicken.
I don't know how the man like it.
I don't know, because I tried to pass you on to one of the regiments for their home. And they don't understand you like that. Eh? 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 Yeah, I understand the food nice, but I understand say it's food nice, but we don't know if you want to speak to the fireman, car.
So get the planting organized, innit?
Yeah. Alright. Alright, so you want to log them picking two up there in the planting, yeah? And you want to cross one, yeah? Alright, no problem. Yes,
The jar, huh?
You've done something terrible. You can't tell anyone else. You can tell who's the person you call no matter how bad the situation is. They help you get rid of the evidence. Who's your mind? The one person who's come to your head right now. The one person you call your life would be so different if they wasn't around. Send this video to them. They will be inspired. We lost without warning. Who's your go-to person? Who's the person you can go to with absolutely anything, without any fear of being judged? You know, you call their phone. They drop everything. They run to you because they know that you need them. Your friendship means so much to you. Who's the person you call when the shit hits the fan? When everything falls apart? Who's the person that's never judged you for anything you've ever done? Anything that you've ever told? Who's the person you call when you've done something terrible? You can't tell anyone else, but you can tell them. Who's the person you call? No matter how bad the situation is, they help you get rid of the evidence. Who's your mind? Who's come to your head right now? The person you call when you're be so different if they wasn't
Huh? Two up with a planting and planter.
Who's your go-to person? Who's the person you can go to with absolutely anything without any fear of being judged? You know you call their phone. They drop everything. They run to you because they know that you need them. Your friendship or your love means so much to you. Who's the person you call when the shit hits the fan? When everything falls apart? Who's the person that's never judged you for anything you've ever done? Or anything that you've ever told? Who's the person you call when you've done something terrible? You can't tell anyone else, but you can tell them. Who's the person you call that, no matter how bad the situation is, they help you get rid of the evidence? Who's your ride or die? That person who's come to your head right now. That person you could live your life without. Your life would be so different if they wasn't around. Probably wouldn't have got to where you are right now without them. Send this video to them and thank them because I would be lost without them. Who's your go-to person? Who's the person you can go to with absolutely anything without any fear of being judged? You know you call their phone. They drop everything. They run to you because they know that you need them. And your friendship or your love means so much to them. Who's the person you call when shit hits the fan? When everything falls apart? Who's the person that's never judged you for anything you've ever done? Or anything that you've ever told? Who's the person you call when you've done something terrible? You can't tell anyone else, but you can tell them. Who's the person you call no matter how bad the situation is? They help you get rid of the evidence. Who's your ride or die? That one person who's come to your head right now. That one person you could live your life without. Your life would be so different if they wasn't around. You probably wouldn't have got to where you are right now without them. Send this video to them and thank them because I will be lost without go-to person? Who's the person you can go to with absolutely anything, without any fear of being judged? You know, you call their phone, you know they out there, they drop everything, and they run to you, because they know that you need them, that your friendship will mean so much to them. Who's the person you call when the shit hits the fan? Everything falls apart. Who's the person that's never judged you for anything you've ever done?
That's all
Anything that you've ever told? Who's the person you call when you've done something terrible? You can't tell anyone else. You can tell them. Who's the person you call when, no matter how bad the situation is, you get rid of the evidence? Who's your ride or die? Who's come to your head? That person you can't live your life now.
I couldn't take the food and left it back. How is that possible? We know them come out of the car and left them bag in the car, but because them scan the ticket, so I mean, me nah even think say he might do a run on the phone.
Yeah, it's kind of ticket. What about the gun? What about the gun?
You what? We don't got to drive, innit?
No, no.
They talk like Batman player. Like we up with the hand come here. Say that one. Get us an outstream. Get up on professional make it drop step. Na man, na bad. Drop out to the six one.
That's like carry food in bin.
One on the response.
That's like carry food in a rubbish bin.
Put it over there. One what? Now. Go to the ceiling. Let's see the guys just like up in the man here. They're fucking here. One of it. You can make it here with a near brand. Everybody get password. From any place in a yard wall. Them trees stop, Mr. to the job wall. Can't buy road from the in house house now. Now you have to get it every month that a car road. Wall road, the girls and the bar road. 16, down with the stand road. Job close in a mall close, when I can't see the front post. You want to visit? Boy, I got it. Let me know when you make this. Let the rest of you know you're right, so I'm not listening. I know that I'm still there. No good enough to be the sound of it. No good enough to be the sound of it. Them boys like you, 19 New York, black book, sour like a list. 19 we stand back, start advising us, but no like a list. Last thing I know like him, oh God, pray for the people inside. Yeah, man, I feel come from my love, yes, I why you not it's not a done a beer. See me in a see me, then I see me down a west. See me this and then I can't say the give it straight. Them get a night, boy, I be a, I'm a drag, them a, boy, I be a Cali. Me a wait, that's a kid, that's a sweet. Sweet. Cheese for them and cheese, the my sick, fraudulent, permanent, piece that price it, icy. Cheese and priceless. My dash can't tie me, never see me too untidy. Tired she a wine. Then this dash like my wife. This and catty and my tie. With the finest design, what's the designer? Design,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
from the day we born, me and my friend them a wild. When me never have to run go for nothing. Let me tell you something.
I give a ghost note to it.
Hey, you want a friend for life? Who the work of some friends, they just still there by my side. You are my friend for life. When nothing now go on negative, we never emphasize. You are my friend for life. You're more than a brother, Jim. You win like a dance, but you're not my friend for life. When nothing now go on, you just still there by my side. Long time in a step. Oh, let this switch now, money start me. All of my friends, them in love, that's it. I would have never said we see the power. So you can take away this. Let's do this on Pina every day, so far. Five viewers. Whenever I go blitz, they want to know what I like. But this one of mine. Yo, my viewers, we celebrate the graces in the heart. But that's just a club, so can you call it picture now? Instinct cover, transparent cover. You won't keep with the left one, no one. Five viewers, we celebrate the graces in the heart. Them detect we lightly. More time them a violent. Who would make me a strength them all be themselves so they always guided. Money have to make us rich life of the many years. Me negative to live on, live on, live on. Man I tell you about cheese and cheddar. Real as stepper, real go get us some work. Them know me fit free and never. Some clean as teller, real general me could never convert. Man I double to the cheese and cheddar. Real as stepper, real go get us some work. Them know me fit free and never. Some clean as teller, real general me could never convert. Hey, I find I know. Hey. When it comes to this swagger, then no yard man we no play. Tell them say I be a factory, I be a factory. Everywhere we go I be a auntie. Look at them down the line. Tell them say I be a factory, big man chance and be a auntie. Everywhere we go I be a auntie.
Too small, small booty, small and a large over here.
Yeah, that's right.
Too small. Yeah, too large in it.
Which one are the large? This one is the large.
Too small.
Don't watch my mind, just ask them. Tell me what you know about me journey. Just one more good and I talk about me get the blessing and I'm ready. But you won't sleep me outside from church. Success in a life not come easy. We are work and time in the city. One time when we not believe it. Success in a life not come easy. We are work and try you achieve it. One time when we not believe it. But that is a the devil that try to see our
Where is it?
Yeah,
599. Yeah.
65.
Yo, Jason, you know that I get a lot of myself on the more. Because every man a big healthy for morning till night. And every man clean every day. That means the man don't have no work. So how that work? Yeah. Some boy are weak like clothes. To keep up with the Joneses. Days understand, nights understand. Too much life, too much fear. Can't find time for girl again. I feel addicted too much, yeah. Too much kitty, too much, yeah. Cause I know brother, hey, I'm saying my dad, pick up, yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna die. I got a wife for the keeper, yeah. I'm up in the dinner. And then the moment we go to chicken, and then I'm a Peter. I'm over there this year, full of your lifestyle, and then we go back. I forget the one more than you got. You see my past grand, next to my back, my food will be like it's gone. Nothing got is one. I got to tell the long same place. Outside. Yo, bro, guy. My measures. Yo, over here. Spanish girl. Hold up. Cash man. I'm a Kingston friend, I'm a banger. I'm a boy with beer, I'm chopper, chop the food every day. Spend every dollar, I'm a girl in a beer, champion, she a swallow. I'm a broke friend, I'm a banger. I'm a boy with beer, I'm chopper, chop the food every day. Spend every dollar, I'm a girl in a beer, champion, she a swallow. Running up on the front, see me dog on a back. Road way a push like you know the measures. Gucci belt on my belly, Supper Union transfer just ready. Nanny, I'm a down, I'm a tell them already. Money, I'm a close me and with me have any. Ask me, I tell her bring up my friendly. Over more on the beach, friendly. Enough of them bad mind. Don't want the youth them shine. Me and for my own. We are mutators. What I can talk when them see we them knock off. We are mutators. Them vex to the heart. But Father God don't design the past. Tell them I got a guy mistake. So me never fret. And I don't do me wrong. Them think we did to do. But firmer than the rock. Them know they can't connect. Mute me and mute them. I got alone, no one will make it out. When it pops trouble, man face, man still stepping out. Now the food for the head, anyways, man firm, I'm a wallet out. See, I'm down the journey, you know, we dirty to give thanks for the blessing. Get a youth, we not give up, we fighting hard, man here for the making. We are new days, and look around it up. What do you see like, oh, they don't know me, they got, but I need to be pretty round it up, when I see how we down, nobody G like whoa. She tell me nigga, we make the nigga, make a link to the Gino. Make a link to the Gino, make a link to the Gino. Now send the picture, put the logo figure, don't see my feel. You can pick her up in the tea, that's good. Hustling free, hustling free, hustle. Hustling free, chop of them earning, money be turning. Chop of them earning, money be turning. Stop the post sterling, right sterling. I said it's going with the burning. Watch ya, ball of one, eagle chrome. Be mother park up beside the crown. Have a different girl in every zone. These are the hustlers anthem. Money up and money, hold it duffel bag. Queen man a shuffle, muscle rubber band. Chop up on the gram, a couple millions. Get a wine and a bubble from the city down. I just money, on top of money. Come and go, the girls come and go. But in my mind, I feel like I find a hole. She knock for my door, you know me up feet down. When in the streets, in the streets I'm home. She know me for dice and cause love. When my chop a girl, she wait for me to sell love. Before my body, then she comes to keep my pump love. Some with us, if you want to come home. Ready, got your things and girl, let's go. If you ever leave without you, the next time. The same as two down the one, the six stars. Realize when you go ice, the girl, the next go. So please no more. Tonight. Representing, watching them. Uptown girls, we like them. Downtown girls, we like them. Money in the pocket, we like them. I use it, we like them. Bad mind, we don't like them. Them a fight beat, we don't fight them. Money in the pocket, we like them. But some of them back down. We need to put them at it. We need to put them at it. What to put them at it? We know the cricket to take. We the one in the clip. See the top girl in the clip. We need to put them at it. We need to put them at it. Who's to put them at it? Then we make them at it. I'm nearly the family. You be cool, man. Stop and try to die, man. You get like a stone. Yeah, then take up the foot. Man, I step and we never stop. I step on like when the sun don't top. I step on me Chelsea and start me. Real I step on like bulls. So man, I step on. Tell man I drink it up. Them thing. From a little bit we get the girls them. We get a step train. Yo man, I step on. Drink it up. Oh Jesus. You see if I don't down man, this is like that baby. I know I'm smile, we can't say mama good, no way, I can't read my file. Show me talent from my versatile, I'm from my home with the ones yes, I just say I'm my mind. We see them now, we see them. Only I feel like you have to move it. Me I feel it, feel it, shit, and me I feel this. Me I feel this. A long time I see them now, we see it. Only I feel like you have to move it. Me I feel it, shit, and me I feel this. Me I feel this. Me I feel this. When me was to have the strength, them a kiss them teeth. But all from me name, me no for a million. Can't deny me talent, the word on sweet. Never go me sell out, never switch on me. See I'm bad as a bowler, but she was street deep. And the beats them need funds, them a meet and greet. Me still a beat and teach you, so them a run straight. Me style of concrete, in the lines and straight. Feel like we just left school last week. Remember we stepped in the points and we shared and bring it. But life changed now. You did not speech now. profit. Someone bring me youth and we grow up in a police. So if I lose that, then forget it. And make me lose swap with the market. When I feel like that's coming out in the body. I don't believe in the love, I don't believe in the logic. Once I was like that, I got the potential. Once I get me that, then go too much again.
Te necesito, señorita. Te amo, mucho te amo. I love you, my señorita. So nice to meet you. You're blessed and you're gorgeous, perfect and you're flawless. I love you regardless. Clean from the south to your garments. Now we got boy, nothing not even garden. My heart tough like a harden, see us like a warden, but you just disarm it. I said I never get a love like this, but now I feel like I'm falling. I had a dream last night, you were sent from heaven. I'm the angel power, but you're bad like me.
Yeah, man. Let's stop this time. Broke road. They say you're AG. Spend some money on it. So you're too pretty for your stuff. Joke thing. Tell me no man. The link to your chest to the Z. Yeah, man. Come link with the guy. Link up on the startup. Mama take your heart up. On the night coaster. Buy a couple girls and you hear and you dance up. They get a pretty like girls up. Be a top girls and girls up. I phone for your spot up. You're too pretty for that in your house. Get anything you want. You just let me. Anything you want, my boy. You know what it does me. Addicted to designer. Who you better know? Me. Addicted to designer. In a real love, yeah, designer beats, one beats, sponsor me shirt, designer beats, one beats, shoot on the beat, designer beats, one beats, every step from me say designer look concrete, gosh, designer beats, one beats, sponsor me shirt, designer beats, one beats, shoot on the beat, designer beats, one beats, every step from me say, respect you and me love, them one, my beats, and let go the game, my beats, but I say, my guy reach the brook, like cheats, anytime, when me say beats, I look concrete, oh,
Empty world make the most noise. You hear that? Ready when you're ready, when you're ready, boy. Ready when you're ready, when you're ready. Do something more like a someone you do. When you're afraid and I'm not clear about you. Seems like you're not even friends that are for you. When you're something there, you're something cold. Trying to run with the shock of soul. When you're afraid and I'm not clear about you. Seems like you're not even friends that are for you. We have something there, you're something cold. You just reach out and know what she brings in you a bring. That's what they have to sing. When the girls start to sing, sweeter than when phone a ring. When the jump with them, get the browning, them a swing. Yin them, pull up them, must say a man thing. Yeah, message them a send up a music. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
When I'm on you listen to nobody. Come here girl and make me a pull up your body. There are some myself send up on your anyone. One, two, like you me can't let me be. Real killer know so you can't chatty. Real bill. Real yard nigga. Them boy they not the style like them yeah. Like them yeah. Them boy they not the style like them yeah. Like them yeah. Them boy they not the style like them yeah. Set the shirt, set the man. Too much girl won't be the girl's friend. Keep my life achievement. But me, money for real, me not breathe. Stepping like place, that's so me are chosen. Rich, me done my clean chosen. Shopping every day, cooking me from my peer. The girl in the mouth, so should have stopped. My money got to but me roll well clean. My glass, my tea, they don't Jamaican. Good morning. Feel about the dream last night, I just know some minutes. Good morning. Me alright, come me alright. Me a tell about blessings and blessings and blessings and blessings and blessings. Tell about blessings and blessings and blessings and blessings and blessings. You know, me here say your friend better do that. Me here say your brother get two shot. Here say your mother me no want do that. But still would I love you better do that. Me here say you live a photos. Me here say your woman do good. Me here say you full of problems. God you open. Good morning. Tell about the dream last night, I just know some minutes. Good morning. Me alright, come me alright. Me a tell about blessings and blessings and blessings and blessings and blessings. Tell about blessings and blessings and blessings and blessings and blessings. Who might be the same human, but we not the same. Them a king and me, I got me staying on my lane. So take me business, me not to my brain. Me tell you, me not like a difference. I'm to the top of the hill. I like to see them a fear to me name. So what different levels, different levels. Hold on, the alpha never follow you, the kick section. You 100 man strong and the clip extend. We never free the sexy girl, them with the big breast them. We are free the stock market and investment. We tell them and they never defeat. Dreams turn to reality, you better believe. Look how far we have come from how we achieve. Living kick from the street, and we tell you say a different levels, different levels. We never look at the flames. I put it up on me. Make you see them up here to me. One kid you say a different levels, different levels.
G them a Canada, big king life on a camera. You full of artillery, I'm on a 22. Heights and peace, come here and us. Freestyle never stop, stop on us. Make you wait, make you see it, make you twist like Django. See the best if I got give me thank you. Me gonna Nambo. I can make a king balling queenie. Them baby wish like me a genie. I wish you said, yeah, you gonna see me. Some guys don't feel it. I'm in the like sleep. I've been making money every time, so my coffee. I'm in lockdown like the sun, I carpet. For my money reason, you know me, I party. Don't make money, mind when you get happy. Guys, I go up. So you know what to do. I really like you. So you know what to do. Jumping early, I really like you. Get it for the boy right through. And if I die for God, would you say I do? Would you stay right through? Right through, yeah. Me understand how you move it. Elegance, make it beauty. They want to know how true it is. Pretty little bonita. They might try hard, but they just can't keep up. Guess I'm legal in a Puerto Rico. Get it on the new side, yard man lingo. Feeling like right now. Because I'm waiting with fire in the face right now. Can't want one more shake and stuff. If you want the money, you face like that. I'm body like face right now. And I'm the healer can relate right now. Gotta get right in the place like wow. When I have it to the feet right out. Until I feel it right out. What the vibe sweet like sun. Bring body back a whole of it right now. Team with Gracies, 9 out of 10 black stuff to leave her out. You want to see them out the gas we got. Good blast on the top and the dollar. Cause I be a money run now. Just one CDD, especially one take photo. Get them confused and no all in the room confused. And I'm at the front by a play my God gives. If you get by, no sleep with feet and do it. Don't have to, make you get taboo. Chevrolet, my boots. Make you call money cause me don't like it that you sit to me mother and me offspring. I got a fire down dream, weekend rapping, baby do it very often. What? So I can't get one off topic. Coming up with the on the axis. Make it put me on fire. Right now. Feeling me up, makes me rise. I see the look in your eyes. I'm a artist inside. close and I could tell you something nice. I guess it's not something we're used to. The type of love you get them too smooth, get used to. Now you feel free, then we used to. Just don't let them lazy. You must be crazy. She asks and I tell my old lady. By the time fierce and I look you for you start up a ball game. Top striker, we make time on Jordan offering. Can I see the M4 fast game? Girl from Canada with the dark skin. Go up, fly past me. Custom with AMG, put it in the Texas. We need it like breakfast. Couple million, I want me make gas. Do it fast like jet fast. Me make it rain when it forecast. Why the man can't stop the progress? Prosperity, man so blessed. Things you lifestyle, didn't make it rough. She did the third life like disco. You know the kid that done like disco. Girl, I look if I could do me, she a dog. As me get the touch with my eye gone. Book a girl, she think me just fly down. Small jazz, old pound, feel eye down. Yeah, yeah, she like smoke. You need me get glass right out. Yeah, she twist it tight like rope. Punch it down, she want me not like church. Christian girl want believe on me. On the hill, Beverly, you sing to me. You know you're a girl, but she into me.
Empower your students to be more authentic, impactful writers with Grammarly's comprehensive AI writing assistance. Use it to help students brainstorm better ideas before they write. Document their writing process. Check for plagiarism and AI-generated text. Cite sources correctly. Get real-time feedback. And much more. Hear it from the former CIO of Wharton Business School. It's not just a grammar tool. It's a responsible AI writing assistant for the new era of communication. Download Grammarly for free today.
Similar to them platform where you advertise on the company. Well, we can do that. I don't have no problem.
4 out of 5 HubSpot users say HubSpot improved their productivity. Here are 3 ways that's happening in real time. HubSpot brings everything you need into one easy-to-access platform. Basically, all your tools are in one place. Built-in AI gives you powerful tips from data you might have missed. You don't have to sweat about going through stats again and again. Get an up-to-the-minute view of everything in your company, and all that insight helps teams see ROI in weeks, not months.
The driver, they go, they might get the driver. Can I get
It's difficult. It's a driver. It's just like doctors. It's just like doctors and nurses. Insurance, very thing there.
Just to check what the people have to do. They want to play in the area. They need to have a car to survive. That's what I'm saying. They're going to go through a test.
Oh, you better not go in the right. Yeah, no test me that part.
Remember, let the wash up on the road, floor. Bust the wall, them want to take coke. Don't, they want to sell body back.
I guess if they get test.
The girl, they want to chat the business, and we give you one. Next thing in your sport,
like I just eat.
tell me, tell me, put them on the scale. Yes, let's get up more, we don't know. For sure. Then I watch you on the film, stand and see, I know what blood gas. Watch your talk, yeah. Red spot, list them down, in our way, man. Don't just watch one, piss in the engine, man. Hey, bitch, I'm the one in the molecule, man. Get up now. What's this? Don't want kill every crew like a rooster. So pussy boy who a fool ya. I hit shot to get a brain tumor. But if you make me say me little kill up on a move. With the LK striker for spongy. Like this YG, I'm a family. KB, 6 blood and a cranberry. 2 pint over wrapping up your family. Chuba have a 6 foot but in hand heavy. Fred man go big boy from it and ready. Some been up here boy love it fuckery. Red spot, Mr. Down in our way. Don't just watch one pussy me
man. Hellgate shot to one anyone with you, man. Get up now.
Yeah, you're right. That's all.
Crocodile badness of the town, yeah. I saw that. The dance start sell wine stall lock off the store. All time friction now wash off your clothes. 17 shoot and shut off them nose. Suck on the man about it. Hey, I'm a killer, glass off the toast. Killer, I'm a killer, gun back off the boss. Rich like time, with a jack on the boss. We don't mix our mingle. Remember we put that shit like Pringle. Run them and kick one single. Holding a face like dimple. A chrome in a waist and a wrinkle. I'm calling it 17, all I single. Together all I single. If I even them know we are single. Cage drum in I ground. Pussy lay down in I ground. Run the man child gun in I crowd. Select it and make a life crowd. And the back and tail up in I cloud. But miss never quail up and I on. Toe shout a bad.
Good news, we got time with the CEO. It's in 40 minutes at the office.
Co-pilot, based on this rollout plan, what questions should we expect?
At 8:23, you were ready to work from home.
Let's condense the rollout plan into a 3-minute talk track.
At 8:40, you were ready for almost anything. Looking for car hire that's head and shoulders above the rest, Heather?
Yeah.
With Kayak, you can see cars from different providers all in one place. Just set your budget, choose the type of car you want, add any extras you might need, and ta-da! Kayak!
Crocodile badness of the town.